See you, Lucas. What's up, man? We're about to get these Bowman mega boxes popping. And none of it belongs to you, Lucas. What's going on, Mr. Ryan? What's the latest in Brandon Ingram news? I just want to see playoff Ingram. Kind of like Pascal did his thing tonight. MTL cards in the house. Hey, thanks for joining in, man. I appreciate it. Hopefully we get a few wanders for you. Exactly. Everyone is sleeping for sure. I already told my wife if I wake up the baby, it's on her. I'll give this probably until about 11, probably 11:10, and then I'll start breaking it. There's another. Top level is in. What's up, man? You did it. You stayed up. It's 11 o'clock. I was hoping I wouldn't be the only one. I'd just be talking to myself this whole time. Oof. So about 1 o'clock over there now, or what? That is some devotion. 12:59. My bad. And now it's 1 o'clock, I think. I only stay up until 1 if I'm watching like The Office on Netflix. Ah, Supernatural. For sure. That's a good one. I stopped watching it a few seasons in only because whatever service was streaming it, my wife and I had canceled it. Trying to be better about not watching TV too much, but that didn't work out. So Supernatural is back on from time to time. I gotta watch it alone. My wife doesn't like that kind of stuff. The Office is fire, man. I think this is my third go around with it. Yeah, there's a reason why it's. I think it might be like the most streamed um, uh, show on. Is it Netflix or Hulu? I've got them both. So if The Office is your favorite, do you feel bad for Toby as well, or do you have the same hatred that Michael has for him? The poor guy. Toby just doesn't get a break. He goes off to Costa Rica and breaks. He gets into some accident, like in the, I think it was maybe in the airport or something. He didn't even see it. He didn't even see Costa Rica. He was in the hospital. House of Hits, what's up, man? Thanks for popping in. Not sure if you're West Coast, but either way, you made it. Exactly. He did nothing. You're right, top level. Yeah, Toby did nothing, man. He doesn't deserve any of it. The poor guy. Lucas, you an office guy or what? I'm gonna have a lot more respect for you if you say you're an office guy. I've got a couple coworkers who I'm trying to convince to watch. I'm even taking my lunch breaks and taking my Netflix or my Hulu over there to their rooms, saying, "Hey, you guys need to watch it." Well, you need to get on it, Lucas. So Bowman Mega, I've opened a few myself, and I know 2018 I opened a fair amount. Um, didn't get in the craze in 2017, only because I was mainly doing the hobby stuff, not retail. So, but it's been easier to just pop into Target now that I've got 3 kids. So it's easier to pop into Target, after they go to bed or running errands, getting milk. You know how you guys do. We all do it. Say we're gonna go get some milk or bread, and then we somehow come back with a couple blasters. But these particular ones I got in from Target Online. I've been able to find a few in the wild, which stinks because I love that instant gratification. With Target Online, I gotta wait. I waited a week or something like that for these. Almost had to go into the regular hobby shop and buy some hobby Bowman just to get through. Yeah, the top level, the Target Online deal. If you're quick enough, man. I mean, I know people are joking around about first off the line, but first off the line has nothing on Target.com when those notifications go off for megas. They are out quick. All right, wait a couple more minutes in case anybody else pops in. This will be uploaded to the Cardboard Crack 96 YouTube channel. So, for those of you that are catching that, thank you guys for joining in on the break. I appreciate it. Gives me an opportunity to open some wax and to cry later on after I pull some heat for you. Of course, cry out of happiness that you got something nice, but cry out of regret because I didn't open it myself. But that's the life. And then let me know if I'm being too loud or too quiet. Like I said, my kids are asleep, so I'm trying to keep it low right now. Lucas, your kids better be asleep, right? Or you wouldn't be able to participate in watching this. I know how wives are with kids. Alright, I'll wait 2 more minutes. 11:08. That's what I'll give them. And then we'll show the players who's in on this, what teams they got. And then we'll get to opening. The plan is to do 1 box at a time. Again, all cards do ship. And the plan is to get them out by Saturday afternoon. It's the end of the school year for me, so I'm going to have a lot of extra time. So I'll be able to separate probably all tonight, and then package them up tomorrow. Maybe get them out tomorrow afternoon, just depending on the schedule when I get back home after work. Otherwise, they will be out Saturday afternoon. Oh, Top Level, man. I remember the college days. But I'm going to be starting my master's pretty soon, so I guess I'm still considered college days in a sense. Yeah, I am old. Thanks, Lucas. Appreciate it, man. 35. I'll be 35 this summer with 3 kids. Be married 15 years. Figured I'd just give you my life story now. I got to get that master's because I got to move over in the pay scale as a teacher. We get like a 2% quote unquote raise every year, but inflation's like 3.5 or something like that. So we're always behind. 20 in November. Jeez. Top Level. Do you have hair on your face? I mean, I think that didn't start for me until late 20s, so no shame in my game. All right, we're at 11:08. We're going to go ahead and start busting these things. So let me go ahead and give you a quick look at what we have going on. We've got our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 megas. We've got the 1 mega that we are giving away. For those of you that are participating, you get a spot or an entry in the giveaway for every spot that you take in the break. Those are the people in the break and the teams that you have. A few of you have multiple teams or multiple spots, which is nice for the giveaway. So we'll be running that on random.org a little bit later. But let's get to the break. I've been thinking about this all day. Just want to open. I'm glad that we were able to fill this thing so we can start opening these things. So, all right. So I'm gonna go ahead and do, like I said, one at a time. Want to make sure that you guys see that it's all sealed with the original Topps shrink wrap and everything. No messing around. Keeping it clean. And for those of you that like to look at serial numbers, there's 90, 98. 98. That might be when you were born or something like that, right? Top Level 98 or 99, I guess, if I did some math. But here's our first box. Good luck. I'm hoping that we pull out some monstrous stuff here. Let's see what we have. We've got 2 megas, and we've got 4 base packs. We'll start with the base packs first. Empty there. We'll start with the base packs. We'll kind of fly through those. We already know what we're looking for here in the base. You'll get a couple chrome, mostly paper. I'll have these all separated. The chromes I will penny sleeve and probably get them all top loaded and all that stuff. The other stuff I will just kind of team bag them and they'll be secure. DJ Peters, one of my Dodgers, and a first Bowman Chrome. Those are always nice to get out of these packs. First Bowman Chromes. Dunning, Q-Boom. On to pack number 2 of the base. Let's see what we got here. Scooter. Hater, this guy. Man, that is a face. That's one of those faces that moms love. Ah, there's a Vlad. There we go. 99 top level. Yep, that's it. Jeez. Man, what was I doing in 99? Graduating high school or something. Okay, got a Vlad Chrome. That's a good one. AJ. Puck you, AJ. Ethan. And we got some more base. Paper base. Which, hey, I mean, those things, when dudes break out, I mean, those paper base can be worth something. There's an Acuna base. Some rookies in there. Another one of my Dodgers. That's a nice one. His Mega last year is kind of weird because it's like just his face. Base packs, no autos here. It's just base paper and chrome. Tucker rookie, Arenado, Kirsch, and we've got a Dane Dunning and a Dustin May. Some people swear by pitchers as prospects, but like some of my favorite follows on Twitter, especially, pitchers aren't prospects in a sense when it comes to card prospects. So, anyway, that was the first stack of base chrome, that kind of good stuff from that first Bowman box. Now let's get to the mojos. Let's get some mojo. A first Bowman mojo there. Not bad. Jesus for the Rays. Let Jesus take the wheel. Brandon Lowe. I love these cards. They're beautiful. Just the mojo design. Goodness gracious, they're just gorgeous. Forrest Whitley. Man, I had such high hopes for him at the beginning of the year, but he's been getting shelled. Not sure if anyone's paying attention to that, but he's getting shelled. Dylan Cease. All right, let's get some fire here. All right. Martinez. Javier first Bowman. And we got a purple. Kevin Newman. That was a terrible Seinfeld impression, but you know what I'm talking about. Saw a picture of him. He threw out the first pitch with the Dodgers the other night. That is 54 out of 250. I don't have. I mean, I've got a few Miguel Amaya and Julio Rodriguez. That's a nice one. I do have a few boxes left, and I've got a few more coming in from Target.com. So I'll shoot you a DM when I'm all done here. Aha. There he is. There's our first color, which isn't bad because, I mean, that's one mojo box or one mega box in, and we've already got some color. All right, so let's go to box number 2. Excuse me. This bad boy up. Number 2 of 10. Let's see what we got in here. Nothing else. All empty. We got 2 mojos. 4 base. Let's see what we get here. Yeah, so I haven't opened a ton of Hobby Bowman, only because it is pricey. But I got in at the very beginning. Probably the best I did was a Mauricio Blue auto, which is really nice. Oh, that's... Never mind. I thought this was like a sky blue. It had kind of a reflection to it, but no, just a regular Bowman Chrome. Keston. He hasn't been doing too bad either. All right. Let's get through this real quick. Hosmer. Tukey. And some chromes. Nice little Joey Bart action there. It's a decent one. This guy's kind of killing it. Got a cool name. Daz is a cool name. Mackenzie Gore. DeGrom. Was it DeGrom or Syndergaard that was saying that the Dodgers were cheating because they were able to hit his pitches? Altuve. First Bowman. And another first Bowman. Those are just good to just sock away, man. You just never know. That's why it's so important that everything gets shipped. Because, I mean, you know, who saw, I don't know, just a guy that just put Alonso out there for now. I mean, how much were papers going? I mean, you probably could have gotten a lot of 20 papers for like $1 or $2 or something. And now, you know, they were at their high. They were probably selling for like $4 for just a paper Alonso, which is crazy. So, I mean, you just never know with these guys. They're so young. All right, let's go ahead and get to the Mojo Packs. Mojo Pack number 1 of box number 2. Oh, I saw Ray in the back. Did you guys see who it was? All right, we've got Cabrera. Man, those are gorgeous. Jeez. Casey Mize, quote-unquote, first Bowman. Jacob Nix. Estevan Florial. Matthew Liberatore. I was hoping for it, Franco, because those sell pretty well. All right, second pack. Joe Adele, Keibert. This is a nice Senzel in the back. It's a nice insert set right here. I'm not always a big fan of the horizontal sets, but it's a decent one. Keston again. Okay, so no fire per se in that set of 2 Mojos there. But let's look for the next one. How about, let me go left side. Let's go 61 is the serial number for this one. All that good stuff. Cool. So how many of you guys are not West Coast? Because West Coast is like, I mean, it's 11:20 right now. And that's late. At least for an old man like me. Okay, we've got 2 Mojos, 4 base, nothing left. And let's see what we got here. Yeah, I don't know how you guys do it on the, especially with sports late at night. I guess because I'm a Laker fan and just an LA guy, it's just easier to, it works with the schedule and everything. I mean, they're not gonna start games at 4 o'clock Pacific Standard Time. So, first Bowman. So I guess on the East Coast, never mind. I'm thinking crazy. I guess when it comes to like playoff time and stuff, when if the game starts at like 7 Pacific, that means it's 10. Yeah, 1:20 a.m. House of Hits. That's crazy. So let me speed this up then, because, geez, that's crazy. Cabrera first Bowman. Tristan McKenzie. Jonathan Hernandez first Bowman. Paddock. He hasn't been bad either. Come on, guys. Come on. Let's get something going. Maybe a couple wanders over here. Hopefully he can wander his way into these packs. Yeah, that was bad. Victor. All right, let's see. Let's finish these up. Carpenter. Franco, wrong Franco. Cody Bellinger. Gosh, that guy. The other night he hit the outfield assist to get the guy out at home, then hits a bomb. Amaya first Bowman Chrome. And then he gets the dude out at third for another outfield assist. I mean, 2 outfield assists. Just crazy. It's just insane. All right, so we've got box 3, Mojo pack 1. Come on, man. Come on. Let's get something here. Nick Madrigal. I think that's purple. Jose De La Cruz. And that is a purple ready for the show. Keston, 16 of 250. It's not a bad one. Yeah, Cody is flirting with 400. It's insane. I mean, he's doing it like, I mean, it's not like we're just 10 games into the season. I mean, it's just intense what he's doing. Kristen Santana. Roberto Ramos. All right, let's get to pack number 2 of box 3. Come on, autos. Or golds, something like that. Brady Singer. Logan Webb. Another Newman. Darian Cruz. And this guy's not doing too bad. Wish it was an auto. Is what it is. Hopefully we're not forgetting just how beautiful this design is. Wonderful. All right, well, we got some purple. We got 2 purples so far in 3 boxes, so it's not terrible. I mean, if it's a purple any of the big guys, I mean, that's a big deal. The number 87. Hopefully that brings us some luck. And other side. Cool. Purple Keston. That's not bad. Not the base, but it is what it is. Beggars can't be choosers. All right. All empty in there. Top level, is that you? Let's get through these base. Got a Bowman Chrome base. Anthony K. Bowman Chrome. He's been doing well. And Ryan Weathers. Still searching for our first Wander. Nolan Gorman, Bowman Chrome. And Blaze, first Bowman Chrome. And there's that guy, Peter Alonso. 2 bombs the other night, but it wasn't enough to beat my Dodgers. That was a good come from behind. Jeez, I thought it was over. First Bowman of Miguel Amaya. I feel like we've gotten a few of those. And last of the base for this box. This is box number 4 of the 10-box break. Thanks again for all of you who came in on this thing. For those of you that shared it, to get it full. And let's go and get to the mojos. Here we go. Ryan McKenna, Reggie Lawson, Matt Mercer. We got a Brendan McKay ready for the show. I do like that set. Rylan Bannon. Come on, man. Come on. Is a first Bowman. That's a good one. Joey Bart. I think that's one of the last teams taken were the Giants. Chance Adams, Royce Lewis, and Hunter Green. Hunter Green, how old are you, Hunter Green? I feel like I've seen you in a lot of product. 2017? Okay, 99. He was born in 99, just like top level. Gosh. Oh, okay. Next one, number 5. Serial number 78. Clean, 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 and clean. I did check these before I even brought them out just to make sure that there wasn't anything fishy with the shrink wrap or anything like that. I mean, you just never know. People get pretty crazy with the way that they reseal and all that business. All right, there are packs. Nothing left. Let's get it. Base. And I like to make sure that you're seeing all the cards so that because they all ship. Mauricio, you'll have an idea of exactly, you should know exactly what you're getting. And I'm not pressed for time. I'm going to be up anyway. One of my kids is bound to wake up, so I always have to have some wherewithal in the middle of the night. Telez, Trout, Scooter, Salvador, Hater, Joey Bart. Oh, that's a good one. That guy's tearing it up. And the last pack of base for box number 5. Oh, he got roughed up the other night in that comeback. Acuna. It's crazy to see what the 2018 update stuff is looking like right now. All right, here we go. Box 5, Mojo Pack 1. Okay, let's do it. Jose De La Cruz. That's a gold. I see gold. All right, I'm not gonna look, but I am gonna sneak it. All right, we got gold. Alec. Oh, come on, baby. Luzardo. Anybody else still awake? Am I the only one that's excited to see gold? Jesus Luzardo. Jose De La Cruz. Brady Singer. And the gold is... How about we wait? Yeah, let's wait. Let's go ahead and open up the the second pack here. Don't worry, we'll get to it right now. But I want to wait just a second. I want to make sure that you see it still in the frame. We've got Logan Webb, Tristan McKenzie, Louis Urias. Don't worry, I'm not going to wait till the very end. We're going to do it right now. I just wanted to make it the last thing that we see in this portion of the break. Okay, here we go. All right, do we go? Let's peek. Can you guys see it? And it's an Oriole, Ryan Mountcastle, 7/50. Got his mojo to go with it too. Wow. Okay. Okay, here we go. Next box. I know, top level, I'm right there with you. 97. I was hoping for something major. Okay, we're good here. Gold. Dang it, man. That could have been something. Shoot. Okay, here we go. And we are empty here. 2 megas, or 2 mojos, if you will, and our base. Let's stack that. Gosh dang it. All right, here we go. Let's move on. Base, 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 base. Keston. Boz, Will Smith. That guy came out to the Will Smith theme song, the Fresh Prince theme song, to his walk-up music. That was awesome. A crowd pleaser for sure. And he didn't do too bad either. Luciano, it's a nice one. First Bowman. Christian Javier. Kellenic, oh gosh. And Mauricio. Oh man, these guys could have been on the same team. Ugh. Jeez. I watched those A's. I'm sorry, the A's. The Mets, because I'm a fan of Mark Vientos. Taylor Ward, next Fresno State Bulldog. Luciano again. And the last of the base for this box. Starling Marte. Altuve. Urias. Jesus Sanchez. Juan Pablo. Jojo. All right, let's get to the mojo. Let's actually get some mojo. Got 2 mojos here. How about some orange this time? We got purple, we've got gold. How about an auto maybe? Even a base auto would be fine. Brady Singer. Bo Bichette. Christian Santana. And Roberto Ramos. I think I saw Ramos and a Santana together in another Bowman Mojo pack. All right, this is pack 2 of box 5. At the end of this one, we'll be halfway through. We have Logan Webb, Tristan McKenzie, Chance Adams, Darian Cruz. I think this was like the same exact run as we've seen before. Yeah, we have seen a couple Singer Megas. Which isn't bad. It's not a bad thing. Not at all. Okay. We are on box. That was box 6, actually. 7 here. We are on. See, that's 555. Look at that serial number at the very end. 555. I'll take that. Okay, let's open this bad boy up. I have a good feeling about this 555. 555. That's like that's the number that they always give in like TV shows or numbers, or I'm sorry, TV shows or like movies, and they ask them for their phone number. It'll be 555 something something something. Very general. Okay, we've got our 2 Mojos, 4 base, empty there. And let's go ahead and work these base real quick. Thanks for those of you that participated in this. If you did not participate, I would like to do another 10 boxer, but that'll be, and we'll try to work at a more favorable time to everybody. I'll just make sure my wife knows ahead of time. Josh James, 2 first names. Moncada. Estevan Florial. And a first Bowman. Chrome of Matt Mercer. Yeah, I know. Not a single Wander, man. I'm sorry. Gavin Lux. But now that you mention it, we'll see what happens. Hopefully it's one of those things where somebody just needed to say the name. Wander. Ah, there we go. Okay, it's not like, an auto or anything like that, but, I mean, at least it's a first Bowman, right? So, something. There it is. See, MTL cards, you just need to say, Wander again, or something. That's what we need to do. That's what needs to happen. Cole Tucker, man. That guy, I saw a thing with him and Cody Bellinger. I guess they're like good friends or whatever, and they're totally just surfer dudes, and like bro and all that stuff. It's pretty funny. They did like a newlywed game kind of deal, and it really was funny. If you haven't seen it, you'll get a good laugh out of it, because they're totally bros. Chris Paddock. All right, here we go. Come on. All right, now that MTL Cards has mentioned it about not having any Wanders, except for this Wander that came out like right after he said it. Let's get to these mega packs. Let's hope that we get at least for MTL Cards a Wander Mojo. If it's got color, that'd be nice too, but here we go. Okay. Ian Anderson. Jonathan India. Tristan McKenzie purple. And Sean Murphy. And Dustin May. All right. We still have one pack. We still have one pack here for box number 6. 7. 7. 91 out of 250 purple. I'm telling you, Orange Mojo. I'm hoping for that too. I just want to shout and wake the kids up. I want to see some black. How about some black? That would be worthy of waking the kids up. All right. You guys need to start saying your players' names, because it's about the shape I'm in. He's a rookie. Okay. Ryan Weathers and Blake Rutherford. Okay, so MTL Cards, next time when you mention Wander, it needs to be during the Mojo break, not the base break. Okay? I mean, I'm not going to put that on me. I'm going to put that on you. All right, so we got the next box. We've got serial number 793. And let's make sure we are clean here. That top's all clean there. Top shrink wrap looks good. So we open. And let's tear this bad boy apart. Let's get something good. Because we got this and 2 more boxes. Okay. I like this so far because, yeah, it's empty. But check that out. It's got a sticker in there. One of them security stickers. So maybe it's special. Let's see. All right. Let's move this over. Let's open up the base real quick. Remember, MTL cards. Everybody else that's watching, listening, make sure you don't mention your player's name or your team name until I start opening up the Mojo packs. It worked out for MTL cards, but it was during the base packs. He got a Wander, but it was just a paper base. So we got to be a little more strategic. Show some more strategery, if you will. I mean, otherwise it's just not going to show up. The baseball card gods know. They know if you're paying attention. They see you when you're sleeping. They know when you're awake. I might be confusing that with somebody else. Bo Burrows. All right. Let's burn through these real quick. I do have a few of these base packs, and I'm just going to, from my own breaks that I didn't even open myself, and I'm just going to send them out to a few of you, especially if you got one of the higher teams, and if you don't get anything, huge or anything like that, I'll shoot you a couple of these base packs over, just as appreciation for taking them. They're a great way to scratch the itch, if you will. They're not too pricey. You're not going to get anything huge. Tatis, Santana, Victor Mesa, and Brent Honeywell. Okay, here we go. It's Mojo time. Box 8. Box 8. Mojo Pack 1. Okay. Come on, Wander Mega Auto. Yes, that's how we do it. Okay? We knew it didn't work the last time because he didn't say it at the right time. At least give ourselves a chance now. And that is a ready for the show. Diaz. And we have a Dylan Cease Mojo. Vlad Jr. Auto. Let's go. Yeah, okay. So we can't be too greedy, though. That's the thing. We can't all say Wander and Vlad and Joey Bart and all that business all in one pack. So best of luck, though. Best of luck. I do want to see some color. I want to see some ink. We haven't gotten any ink yet. We are due. Jesus Sanchez. Tukey. And come on, man. Come on. Dane Dunning. And the final one of this Mojo pack is Nolan Gorman. All right. 2 more, guys. 2 more, and then we have the free giveaway. We have serial number 775. Again, I'm not sure if any of you guys care about that, but you can always look. I don't know if you just for reference or something. I'm not sure, but I like to look at them. That's how I like to pick things sometimes. especially if I have a lot of choices and I don't trust my LCS guy to give me a box. Because then I'll blame him if it's bad. Okay, here we go. We've got 2 megas, 4 base, which is, again, exactly how it should be. But I've heard, and correct me if I'm wrong, if maybe I'm the only person that's seen this or heard this, that that some of these boxes have come without the Mojo packs, or even came with extra Mojo packs, which is insane. But I guess if you're going to have some that come with extra, then you're going to have some that come with none. So it's kind of the law of averages. But it seems like it would be one of those things that you could talk to Topps about, try to get a missing hit kind of deal. But we're good so far. I shouldn't have said that. It's a good one. I should not have said that. Austin Riley. We are nearing the end here. We are nearing the end. Thank you for hanging in here. If you fast forwarded in the YouTube swags, Luciano. If you fast forwarded, good for you. If you muted me, even better. Chris Bryant. I'll tell you, my third graders, I feel like they mute me often. So if you ever need to talk to somebody about how to mute me, they're probably your best bet. They've done it for a while now. All right, here we go. Let's work them mojos. Okay. What's up, Steel Town? All right. Box 9, Mojo Pack 1. Jesus Sanchez. I feel like we have a couple of these guys. Eloy. And a couple Dane Dunnings. And a couple Gormans. They come in runs, man. They come in runs. Wish we had the Wander run. Alright, here we go. Tavares. Canning. Lugo. Lux. I've seen this before. Keller. Well, here we go. Last one. If the baseball card gods are playing with us, let it end now. 507. So we've gotten some color, no autos. I mean, this is one of these where we got to get an auto here. I know they're not guaranteed, but I think there's supposed to be one, on average, one every 6 boxes or something like that. So hopefully one of those pop up here. Okay, we got our two Mojos, and it's empty. Alright, this is the last one, guys. And then we will random up the names. Finish off the space. And let's give away that last mega box. Mookie. Ozzy. Again, everything ships except for the wrappers. I mean, if you want the wrappers, I don't think they're doing a wrapper giveaway. Remember back in the day when they would do that? I think Upper Deck did it. Basketball had like a sweet Shaq set, 4-card set. Those were the days. Back in my day. I didn't realize how old I was until one of my buddies said, yeah, I'm going to be 40 this year. Victor. Now, I'm not that old, but I'm creeping. All right, here we go. Let's be done with this, with the base. And let's move on to some autos. I want to see 5 Seth Beer. I want to see 5 autos in each of these last Mojo packs. All right, here we go. Box 10, pack 1. Ramos, Garcia, Rogers, ready for the show. Marte, first Bowman. Ruiz, first Bowman. Come on, man. Come on. Last pack. And what have we got? Trammell. Rogers. Knicks. Blaze. And the final one, Marco Luciano. No ink, guys. I am sorry. But there are some beautiful Mojos in there. We've got, that was a brutal 10-box mega break. You are absolutely correct. Okay, let's go ahead and go through what we've got here. I'm just going to go over the, recap the color that we got. And the good megas, which were very few and far between. Okay, so we have Newman purple. We got a McKenzie purple. Mountcastle gold. Joey Bart, just a base mega. And a Keston purple. $250. And we had that Wander, the Wander paper. And that was disappointing. I am so sorry. That stinks. I mean, those are the breaks, but you hope that this kind of stuff doesn't happen all that often. But let's go ahead and take a look at the extra mega box. It is there. It will be ripped and shipped. These are the players. And I'm going to go ahead and get our list. And we got to have, I want to see at least a 4. And I'm going to go ahead and actually stop here because my Instagram live is going to end. So I'm going to end it and then I will start a new one. I will upload this as well. Give me just a second.